McCartney. I've got to tell you that I've got my mobile phone here. Okay, so if it rings, I've got certain ringtones that play so I know who's ringing. Okay, for instance, George Stella rings. Okay, it's this one. Okay, right, okay, so now we know. Okay, if the phone goes, we know who it is.
When I love you, with me forever.
Hi, this is Sir Paul McCartney.
Oh, it's Heather. I will go to the papers and tell them everything unless you pay me $1 million.
That one.
Correction, unless you pay me $1 million, zillion, billion, trillion dollars.
Okay, listen, Heather, I've got one thing to say to you, okay? And it's this, so get an earful, okay?
Chicken curry and rice at a restaurant in Putney. Papa Don's ordered twice with a sweet mango chutney.
Ooh.